I thought I got a cookie. Did you take my cookie? Oh. Get off my hand. Where's my cookie? Got like a alligator grip there. It's ridiculous. Oh. That's my cookie. I bought that. I bought it. Oh no. I don't know, are they any good? It's alright. I mean, ain't as good as my cookies, but, you know. Oh, hey. Cooking 1-5 here. I'm here again with my little brother. Doing another lunch and learn. We went to Jersey Mike's. I think I've been there like 20 years ago or something, but, you know, we drove around town 15, 20 minutes. Finally, he made up his mind what he wanted to eat, so, you know, we went, got some Jersey Mike's. So, he couldn't make it. I listened to him. I got me some kind of steak sandwich here. The famous Philly. Gotta see where this is going. I told the guy I wanted a giant. I don't think he believed me. Well, that's a whole. We could probably do 2 episodes on that. He ordered a giant sandwich. They got, what do they call them? They got regular, small. You know, it's mini, regular, and giant. Giant. I get regular. He orders a giant, and the guy takes one look at him and says, "No, you're getting a regular." He didn't say that. He gave you a regular, didn't he? Yeah, but he didn't say it. Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's not bad. Not as good as mine, I'll tell you that. But not bad. You don't have a Philly recipe. You have a steak sandwich recipe. You never made Philly steak. I got a few steak sandwich recipes, I'll tell you that. Depending on the mood I'm in. So anyway, we've been doing a few lunch and learns. We're out getting lunch. I figured I might as well talk to you a little bit, teach you something. And somebody asked us yesterday. They said, you know, what's with the lunch and learn? Why are you doing the lunch and learn now? You're supposed to be doing recipe videos. Some of you know this, maybe some of you don't. I'll tell you, we've had a few setbacks here and there. Had a couple setbacks, really. Well, first there was the great kitchen fire, 2018. We lost our stove. You've probably seen the stove in the video, and kind of caught fire. And I almost had it under control. And somebody decided to throw water on a grease fire, which anybody been around, you know that's not what you do. But you handed me a bucket. And told me I said don't throw water on a grease fire, and you did anyway. You handed me a bucket and told me to throw it. No. All right. So anyway, we lost our stove. I got a new stove, new to me. It's an old one, really old one, glass top. We're kind of giving that a try now. But we're having some repairs done in the kitchen. And unfortunately, we ain't got nowhere to cook anything now. We've had to borrow other people's kitchens and that. And, ain't too bad there. So we had that, and then there's something else. We had another little incident that involved fire and somebody not knowing what to do here. My beard caught on fire.
It caught on fire twice.
My beard caught on fire
twice.
I didn't want to do a video looking like that, you know. But it'll get there and try to get that taken care of. Try to look normal again.
Yeah, well.
So, anyway, I got to thinking, it's lunch and learn. I made some asparagus, sauteed asparagus, seasoned. And people are always asking me, how you do it? I mean, I don't, everything you do comes out perfect. Even stuff people struggle with, you know. Well, it's, you know, it's experience and it's talent. You know, some people have it, some people don't. Obviously, I got lots of it. Then I get, I got some chips. Anyway, what are you doing?
What?
You gonna eat all that? Why you get such a big bag?
The bigger the better.
Okay. You kidding me? It'll make you realize how ridiculous that sounds coming from you. But anyway.
No.
Oh, good. So anyway,
You got crap shit.
today's lunch and learn. I want to talk about oil. And you master this. Honestly, this is one of the most critical things you can learn. Really step up your cooking game. Release some maximum flavor. A lot of people, they use regular old vegetable oil, canola oil. There's all these different kinds of oils out there. But usually people are just all haphazard about it, and they just throw an oil all over the place. They really don't know what they're doing. Butter. Look, I'm a butter fan. I put butter. It's a big ingredient. It's a flavor ingredient. It goes in a lot of things. But butter burns in a pan real easy. You know, if you're trying to make some good pancakes or something, and you got your pan too hot, you throw your butter in there, it's gonna burn. You know, any new cook has always struggled with this kind of thing. So I'm gonna talk about some oils today. Man. Oh, hit the spot. Yeah. Get your foot out of the way. So I got a bag of goodies here. A couple oils I wanted to talk to you about, some of my favorite. I don't know why that's in there. This one's almost empty. I'm going to get some more. But 100% grapeseed oil. You'll notice here it says high heat cooking. Grapeseed oil is one of the biggest secrets to cooking. Anytime you're wanting to cook something that you're cooking at a little higher temperature, you're having that problem with the butter burning, the oil burning, whatever, grapeseed oil is the way to go. You know, obviously it's healthy because it comes from grapes, and grapes are pretty healthy, I think. But you can use this for deep frying, sauteing. You can use it for anything. It's pretty expensive. It's pricey because if you think about it, you may not have ever seen a grape seed before because grapes don't have seeds in them when you go to the grocery store. But that's somehow they get them out of there. They take them out. But a grape seed is real small. There's not a lot of oil in it. It's real hard, So it takes probably trillions of grape seeds just to make this one bottle, and that's why you're going to pay a lot more money. But 100% grapeseed oil, this is what I like to use in my cast iron skillet when I'm making pancakes. Anytime I'm in one of them situations where butter's going to burn. Butter's going to burn. Vegetable oil isn't necessarily going to taste right or something like that. That's the one thing about grapeseed oil. It ain't going to have a taste. It really, nobody knows of any kind of taste with it. A little oil in here. Olive oil, I cook a lot with olive oil. But olive oil will burn quicker than this, especially the extra virgin olive oil. And, certain things you're cooking, like you're cooking pancakes, you don't want that olive oil flavor, So the grapeseed oil, you got to have this in the kitchen. It's worth the money. I'll tell you that right now. It's worth the money. Now, if you're making asparagus, you're making different vegetables, you're sauteing something up, maybe you're flavoring chicken, I'm telling you the way to go is herb infused olive oils. They got stores around different places. You go in the store, you get a bottle, looks like this. Maybe it's a little smaller like this. I'm going to share with you some of my favorite ones. This is if I'm going to saute up some vegetables, if I'm going to throw a little oil on some chicken breasts before I fry them in a pan, maybe before I put them on the grill. I'm going to go over a couple of these with you. So this first one here, this is wood smoked olive oil. It's got kind of a wood flavor. So this is something I like to maybe put on fish, maybe put on chicken, something I'm going to do some grilling, maybe grill some chicken breasts real quick. I'm not smoking or getting crazy like that. Now I might use this guy right here, wood smoked. Wood smoked. It's one of my favorite right there. Next, I got a Tuscan herb. Same thing. I like to put this on chicken. Chicken. You'll see a lot of these are good for chicken. Tuscan herb. Give it a try. Here we got Chipotle. Chipotle infused olive oil. You gotta be careful with this. It's got some kick. Again, you put it on chicken. Put it on a little bit of fish. I'll tell you what I do with this. I take about a teaspoon of Chipotle infused olive oil, and then I'll take a couple teaspoons of grapeseed oil or regular olive oil, and I'll use these for making home fries. And it gives them a little bit of kick, and then if you put a little bit of hickory seasoning on there, or maybe combine the hickory and the chipotle and fry up some home fries. You got to use fresh potatoes. You cube them up, cube your potatoes up, cook them in a pan. I'll tell you, it's got a little bit of kick. If you like a little bit of kick with your breakfast there, home fries, I highly recommend it. Next here we got hickory smoked. Hickory smoked is, if you never heard of it, it's real good. It's just kind of got that barbecue flavor, like you've been cooking on the grill, doing a little, just a little smoking with some hickory chips or something. Chicken, again, I like to put it on chicken. I like to put it on fish. Sometimes I'll even get a little crazy and I'll use some of these infused oils in a pan before doing an omelet. It just gives a little kick, a little bit of flavor to your omelet. I'll put that down there. Rosemary. Rosemary infused olive oil is a must, especially, you guessed it, chicken. I love to do chicken breasts. I coat them in the rosemary infused olive oil, cook them in a pan, throw them on a grill. I love to do vegetables this way. I want to do some sauteing vegetables. I love especially potatoes. You know what? I'm going to do that recipe. I'm going to put that on there. In the next couple of days, I'm going to put my rosemary pan-fried potatoes. Rosemary, give it a try.
Insert kitchen fire 2019.
Yeah, as long as you don't throw water on it. Now, you notice here's the big bottle. Normally, I got an even bigger bottle, but I didn't know if it was going to fit in the car too good. But this is garlic infused olive oil, and this is a must-have. You don't want to have a lot of this. I like to put this on pastas. I like to, whenever you boil pasta noodles and you want to put a little oil in there so the noodles don't stick together, garlic infused. I add it to my ground beef when I'm cooking to make like a pasta sauce, or I use it to kind of brush on a pizza crust if I'm making a pizza crust, breadsticks, whatever. I mean, it's universal. Garlic, I mean, you put garlic on just about anything. Most people got just dozens of recipes they use garlic. So garlic infused olive oil, definitely a way to go. I got more. I got basil. I got different things, some people say, well, what about like the vinaigrettes and different things? And I don't get into any of that. I don't like that kind of stuff. I like to stick with oils. And don't break this. Put that back down there. Get your foot out. Anyway,
Good job.
that's the secret there. That's a lot of people struggle with that. I'm sure you tried to saute vegetables. You should put some butter in the pan, and before your vegetables are done, what's happening? Well, the butter's burning. The butter's burning, and so you probably tried vegetable oil, and then you say, well, it just don't taste the same, and it's so oily, and I don't know. You eat that bag of chips?
I'm munching. Oh, you want some chips now?
Yeah,
You want to go?
I got my own
You
here.
want a big bag of chips, finally?
Alright, anyway, I know you're looking forward to some videos with some recipes. We've been doing these lunch and learns to give you something.
We gotta get that grill working.
Yeah, we got a new grill. Well, it's not new, it's new to us. But apparently somebody was throwing a grill away. Thing must be, I don't know, 6 or 7 feet long. It's got like 8 burners, 2 feet deep. It's absolutely ridiculous.
What are you talking about?
We need a grill that big for.
You kidding me, right? The bigger the better. You serious?
Well, there's a reason they were throwing it away. Half the burners are broken. I mean, it's got a gas leak.
All that are easy fixes.
But as he says, it just needs a little tender love and care. I don't know. But
TLC.
well, hope you learned something today. Something about flavor. I think you're gonna be happy if you learn to use them olive oils. I'll do some videos. Try to show my little brother. I'll show you how easy even he can do it. I think.
Okay.
We're gonna try anyway.